Hi, welcome back to the Wooden Spoon, powered by Vandevi and Vaidehi Hing. This is Chef Nupur Varma. Today we're doing a festive recipe which is Besan Ka Laddu. So it's one of my favorite Indian mithais. So I hope you all enjoy this. So for our Besan Ka Laddu, what we need is some ghee. I'm going to turn on the gas. I've got some ghee which I'm going to melt in my pan. Once my ghee is melted, I'm going to add in my besan or chane ka atta, which I'll be cooking till it's slightly brown in color. So my ghee is melted. I'm going to add in my besan. So I'm adding in my besan into my melted ghee. So my besan has started browning a little. I'm going to add in my elaichi or cardamom powder. And then my sugar, which has been ground into a powder. I'm going to mix this very well. So my sugar is mixed in my besan. I'm going to add some nuts to this. Here I've got cashew nut, pistachios and almond, which has been finely chopped. I'm just going to add a little and the rest I'm keeping to put on top. So my laddu mix is ready. I'm going to remove this on a plate and form my laddus. So I'm removing this on my plate. I will start forming my laddus when it's warm, otherwise it gets a little difficult to form into shape. I'm just garnishing